Imagine you have a time machine and decide to prevent your grandparents from meeting. This action would mean you were never born, creating a paradox. If you were never born, how could you have used the time machine in the first place? This is the grandfather paradox. Achilles, a swift runner, gives a tortoise a head start in a race. The paradox suggests that Achilles will never overtake the tortoise because every time he reaches the tortoise's previous position, the tortoise has moved slightly ahead. This infinite sequence implies Achilles can never catch up. Consider a ship where every part is gradually replaced. Is it still the same ship? If you then use the original parts to construct another ship, which one is the true ship of Theseus? This paradox questions identity and change over time. You have a heap of sand. If you remove one grain at a time, at what point does it stop being a heap? The Sorites paradox challenges our understanding of vague concepts and when a collection of items loses its defining characteristic. In a town, the barber shaves everyone who does not shave themselves. But who shaves the barber? If he shaves himself, it contradicts the rule. If he doesn't, he should be shaved according to the rule. This paradox highlights logical inconsistencies. A catch-22 is a situation where you need something you can only have if you do not need it. For instance, a pilot can avoid dangerous flights if deemed insane, but requesting not to fly proves sanity, trapping them in a paradoxical loop. The Fermi paradox questions why, in an infinite universe, we have not encountered extraterrestrial life. Despite the vast number of stars and potential planets, the absence of evidence for aliens presents a puzzling contradiction in our understanding of the cosmos. If someone declares it is opposite day, is it truly opposite day? This paradox creates a logical loop where the statement negates itself, leaving us in a conundrum about the nature of truth and contradiction. Simpson's paradox occurs when a trend appears in different groups of data, but disappears or reverses when the groups are combined. This paradox demonstrates how aggregated data can lead to conclusions that contradict those drawn from individual subgroups. Unlimited tolerance can lead to the disappearance of tolerance itself, as it allows for the rise of intolerance. For a tolerant society to endure, it must not tolerate intolerance, creating a paradox about the limits of acceptance and coexistence. The bootstrap paradox involves time travel and authorship. If a time traveler gives young Einstein a book on relativity, which Einstein then publishes, who is the original author? This paradox questions the origin of ideas and the nature of causality. The Stockdale paradox suggests that believing in imminent success can decrease your chances of achieving it. Conversely, maintaining faith in eventual success, despite current hardships, increases the likelihood of overcoming challenges, highlighting a paradox in optimism and perseverance. Jevons paradox states that technological improvements increasing resource efficiency can lead to higher overall consumption. As products become more efficient and appealing, demand rises, paradoxically increasing resource use, despite advancements aimed at conservation.